Good morning, students. So today we come to the second part of the chapter crop production and management. Over here, crop production management concerns with, now we are going to discuss about manures and fertilizers. Now manures are natural fertilizers prepared by decomposed animal excreta and plant waste. They include farmyard manure, compost, green manure, vermicompost, etc. The advantages are that they provide food for soil organisms. They also add organic matter. Now this organic matter is known as humus. The advantages is that it's very bulky, smelly, and also is low in nutrients. So types of manure, as just we had said, first is farmyard manure, short form FYM. It is made up of decomposed mixture of cattle excreta, that is cow dung, urine, litter, and leftover organic matter such as roughage. Next is compost. It is prepared from farm and town refuse, that is sewage, vegetable and animal refuse, fecal matter of human beings. These are kept inside the ground for a few weeks and then it is used as manure. The third is green manure. They are crops grown in the field for about 4 to 6 weeks and then they are overturned by running over the tractor. They remain buried for 1 or 2 months and provide natural nutrients to the plants. Next we have fertilizers. Now fertilizers are prepared in factories. They provide nutrients to plants using chemicals like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. A complete fertilizer is one which has got all the three important elements just now said: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. There are basically four types of fertilizers. First is nitrogenous fertilizer, example urea. Phosphatic fertilizer, example triple superphosphate. Potassic fertilizers, example potassium nitrate. And last is a complex fertilizer, that's nitrophosphate. Next we come to the difference between the manure and fertilizer. The manure, as we just said, is a natural substance, while fertilizer is man-made. Natural manure is not having proper nutrients, so it is not nutrient specific, but it is nutrient specific, either NPK or NPK, all of them. Manure adds great amount of organic matter in the form of humus. There is no such thing with the case of fertilizers. It is voluminous, bulky, and smelly. While fertilizer is compact and concentrated, it has to be mixed in water and then sprayed into the field. Manure is cheap and prepared in rural homes and fields, while fertilizer is costly and is prepared in factories. Thus, now we come to the next part, and that is irrigation. It is the process of supplying water to the crop plants. The water should be in such a way, in such a manner that there should not be any water logging. Water management is arranging and supplying required water to crops without harming soil aeration. Aeration means amount of air for the roots to live. The advantages are that it is for the growth and elongation of roots of the crop plants, so it goes more down, gets more nutrients. It is essential for absorption of nutrient elements by crop plants. Next we come to irrigation systems. Now irrigation systems are basically of two types. One is which is of ancient times and the second is modern. So ancient times include canal systems, river lift systems, river valley systems, wells which may be dug wells, and the modern ones are tube wells, drip and sprinkler system. These are the different methods of irrigation system. Thank you. Have a nice day.